Rising above the Vltava River in South Bohemia, the Hluboká castle is one of the most beautiful and romantic castles in Czech Republic. Located near the town of Hluboká nad Vltavou, its white facade and elegant towers resemble something straight out of a fairy tale. The castle's origins date back to the 13th century, when a Gothic fortress was first built on the site to guard trade routes and royal lands. Over time, it passed through various noble families and underwent several transformations, reflecting changing architectural styles and political influences. In the 17th century, the castle was redesigned in the Baroque style, giving it a more luxurious appearance. However, its most dramatic transformation came in the 19th century under the ownership of the powerful Schwarzenberg family. Inspired by England's Windsor castle, the Schwarzenbergs rebuilt Hluboka in a Neo-Gothic style between 1840 and 1871. The renovation introduced ornate towers, battlements, and richly decorated interiors, creating the castle's iconic fairy tale appearance. Inside, the castle features grand halls, carved woodwork, and an impressive collection of art and historical furnishings. The surrounding English-style park and landscaped gardens further enhance its romantic setting along the Vltava River. Today, Hluboká Castle is a national cultural monument and one of the most visited historic sites in the Czech Republic. Visitors can tour its lavish interiors, stroll through its gardens, and experience a castle that blends medieval origins with 19th century elegance.